In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a crank position sensor on a Ford Escape. It is located underneath the front of the vehicle. We're underneath the front of the vehicle right now, and you would have a shield that covers the bottom part of your engine with 9 10mm bolts. You need to remove that shield. Our vehicle does not have that shield. Your crankshaft position sensor is right next to your lower pulley for your crank. It is held in by one 8mm bolt. You need to remove that. Once you removed your bolt, swing it out towards the front of the engine and pull to the left and out. Your connector is connected to the crank sensor by one clip. You want to come in from the back side, lift up on that clip, and pull on your crank sensor. On the back side of your crank sensor, you're going to have a piece that protrudes. That goes into that hole up there. This cup goes into that hole there. But first, you can plug your sensor in. Wait for the click. Take your sensor, slide it up into that post up top, and then swing down and install it on that pin. Install your bolt and tighten it down. That bolt gets torqued down to 89 inch-pounds. Now reinstall your shield.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.